Guys, look at this view.
My name is Elara, I am from Norway, and now I go to Switzerland for travel. I arrived in hotel at midnight.
Even though I got lost and turned a 10-minute walk into a 30-minute walk, I still ended up walking the whole way instead of calling an Uber, so proud of myself for that. I look and smell like a wet dog, so I'm gonna take a shower.
I just changed my hairstyle.
To pick up some groceries and food because, guys, the food in Switzerland is crazy expensive. Personally, I think Coop tastes really good. I'm no foodie, but the Butterzopf was my favorite thing that I got in Switzerland last time. So we're gonna get that today, and then I think we're gonna do the hike towards Gimmelwald. It's like an easy walk.
After a very sweet breakfast, it is time to head to Murin.
So, this is the view from my hotel room. There's a river right there.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kind of feel a little younger.
I will booked my hotel here in the Seedorf area, Switzerland. I am going to nearby place called the Canton of Uri. It's famous for its mountain and waterfall.
This is Waterfalls. I think I'm on the way to Tremmelbach. Pretty long walk. It's like 45 minutes. But the walk is pretty nice. It's just like one road. Not bad. The view is great though. You can see a waterfall from here. Such a beautiful trail.
I'm tired. My legs, they hurt a little. Today I walked a lot. Now I'm gonna end this video. Bye.